So we're turning to build the bumper. I welded up everything, and then right now we're about to cut out the winch plate with plasma cutter. Super fun time party. Our amazing, super scholarly template for the winch plate. See how close we get. All right, now that the bumper's mostly assembled and bolted to the truck, reinforced lower brackets, let's do a deflection test and see if it can support the weight of the vehicle. I'm out of wood. Get more wood. Safety last. Do not do this at your house. Well, one of the truck's off the ground, so I reckon I'd call that a success. Have two more additional bolting points on there that I don't have bolts in right now. So maybe if I bolt that down, and that'll bolt to the tow hooks, we'll probably have zero deflection. It'd be cool. Process to get this damn thing together. If I knew it would have taken this long, I would have just bought the ARB one for $1,100. So in like 40 or 50 hours or whatever the hell amount of time I have in this damn thing. But for the upper brackets, we just chopped up the factory brackets. You got to cut it at an angle right there. So the lower mounting bolt is non-existent. It's just the upper one, which you can see the bolt for the upper bracket. The upper bracket's really just to hang the bumper on there while you're bolting the lowers on. Get a shot of the lowers now. So we put this support structure on there and then mounted two bolts to each side where the tow hooks go. And then we did the same thing on this side. Welded an angle. This is all 3/16 plate. And then drilled that hole there to bolt these supports to the toe points. And that's the main structure. It ought to support, well, clearly it supports lifting the truck, but also ought to support pulling it with the winch, so that'd be nice. So yeah, that's what we got so far. And getting all the angles and mounting points correct, and notching the winch plate to go around the center support and everything. Nothing's square on the front of the truck. Everything's coming at a weird angle, so accounting for all of that. Fun times. So once you're done your body chop, you can't not touch up the paint. So how do we do that? Well, let's see. The Pathfinder is a pretty bare bones off-roader, so we'll use gloss black Rust-Oleum enamel from Walmart and a little brush, and we'll touch up the paint. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's all matching perfect. Paint match professional. Goddamn. Now that we've got our lower mount sorted and a few hours with the wire brush and some sandpaper, primed and sanded the bumper, it's looking pretty good. Got the bronze to match my beautiful TE37s over there that are going to go on the Pathfinder. Ooh, Zoom's going nuts on me. Jesus. Alright. So, the paint we used was Duplicolor wheel coating, high performance wheel coating. Oh, I wish this thing would focus. That would be awesome. But anyway, high performance bronze CHWP 10500. That's whatever this says on the label if you wanted to use this color. And then we just used automotive primer from Walmart to prime it. And stuff worked alright, no complaints. It's not a, you know, show car or anything. So everything's finally mounted. Got some nice little chrome door trim here. I'm going to keep cutting myself on sharp metals. And got our Harbor Freight winch. Control box is kind of in the way. I'm gonna have to put that somewhere where it's not so hideous. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. So, yep, pretty stoked to get out on the trail and not get stuck, because now I have a winch. So why would I ever get stuck?